In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order on Webull. A limit order lets you set the exact price you're willing to pay when buying, or the exact minimum you'll accept when selling. It gives you control over price, and your order will only execute at that price or better, which is especially helpful when you want precision and predictability. First, open Webull Desktop and navigate to the trade screen for the stock or ETF you want. Type the ticker in the search bar, confirm you're looking at the right symbol, and make sure the chart and order ticket panel are visible. Take a moment to note the current bid, ask, and last price so you have context for where the market is trading. Next, choose whether you want to buy or sell and click the corresponding button to open the order ticket. Buy adds shares to your position. Sell reduces or closes a position you already have, or opens a short position if your account is enabled for it. In the Order Type menu, select Limit. Unlike a market order, which fills at the best available price, a limit order will only fill at your limit price or better, which can help you avoid slippage in fast markets. Now enter your limit price. For a buy, this is the maximum you're willing to pay per share. For a sell, it's the minimum you're willing to accept. A practical tip: consider the current bid-ask spread. If you want a quicker fill, place your price near the mid or the best bid-ask. If you're aiming for a better price and can wait, set your limit further away and be patient. Choose the quantity you want. Enter the number of shares for stocks and ETFs, or the number of contracts if you're trading options. Double-check that your buying power and risk tolerance match the size you've entered. Select the time in force. Day means the order is active for the current regular trading session and then expires if it doesn't fill. GTC, or Good Till Cancelled, keeps the order working beyond today until it's executed or you cancel it, subject to your broker's duration limits. Finally, review your order details for direction, symbol, price, quantity, and time in force. Then click Place Order. If the market reaches your price, your order will execute. Otherwise, it will remain open until it fills or expires. Remember, a limit order doesn't guarantee a fill. It guarantees your price limit. Use limits when precision matters, especially in fast markets or symbols with wider spreads. And if you're new, consider practicing the workflow in a paper trading account before placing a live order.